Okay, so now that we're ready for question number 7. So question number 7 is very much like question number 6, but the difference here is that instead of just asking about hours of television watching for men and women, we're asking about hours of television watching relative to both sex and also Hispanic origin. So we're going to use the same means comparison that we used before, and we'll come over to our data set. We go to Analyze, Compare Means, Means, and you can see it looks just like it looked when we left it last. Now, if I were to put Hispanic into this independent list here, what I would actually get is hours of television by sex, and then a separate table that was hours of television by Hispanic. So what I need to do so that I get the two variables simultaneously is that I click this Next button. And then in the second layer, I put in Hispanic. So now when I paste it, you'll see that I'm going to get a table that shows sex by Hispanic. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this, I'm going to hit Run, and I'm going to get my table down here that splits it out based upon the question that I asked. So I'm going to get the mean and the standard deviation for men who are not of Hispanic origin, for men who are of Hispanic origin, women who are not of Hispanic origin, and women who are of Hispanic origin. So I'll highlight those, just change the background color so that I can see where I found my data, and then I'm just going to write that into this sentence over here. So let me write this out and then I'll be right back. So you see here I've just typed in the answer, taking the means and standard deviations from this table and writing them into a sentence format.